Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. I know, I've been on it on the uploads lately, 3 videos a week. Whew, what's going on? But either way, for today I thought I would throw in an extra video for you guys because FabFitFun actually just released their spring box and I'm so excited. This is actually my 3rd time partnering with FabFitFun. I'm honestly obsessed with their seasonal boxes. For all of you guys that are new on my channel and have not heard of FabFitFun, basically what it is a seasonal subscription box that comes to your door every 4 months. This box is not like your typical makeup subscription box. It's actually a box full of full-size goodies that range from lifestyle, health, wellness, fashion, and makeup as well. I did not peek at all. I was a really good girl, and honestly, I just really want to show you guys my genuine reactions about what I see in this month's box. And the main reason as to why I really love to promote FabFitFun on my channel is because you guys know me. This channel is all about saving your money wherever you can. And basically the way it works with this box is that you pay a seasonal fee of $49.99 per box, but it actually has over $200 worth of products in here. And I just think it's a really great concept if you're somebody who loves to go ahead and try out new products every few months, but you don't want to go and spend a ton of money. I really love this alternative. If you do end up being curious to try out the box for yourself, I can get you an even better deal for your first box. You can get $10 off by using the code Haley10. If you guys do decide to use the code, I actually don't make any commission off of it whatsoever. It's just for you guys to have $10 off your first box. So the great thing is, if you do decide to go ahead, start your subscription and sign up to be a member, you can actually go and customize all your future boxes to whatever it is that you want. So on their website, they'll have a bunch of different choices between the products you can choose, and then that way, if you don't care for the element of surprise, you can make sure that you're getting everything you want in the box and you're not going to be disappointed. So with that being said, I love the element of surprise, so it just gets sent to me with whatever goodies they decide to stuff in here. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. In every single box, you're going to receive a magazine, and in the magazine, you're going to have all the information, including prices and different ways to use all the products that come in your FabFitFun box. And oh, I love it. They literally do it every time. They're including a HelloFresh $50 gift card in here. I'm not graceful with opening my wrapping paper. And off the bat, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to pick up the biggest thing that I see here, and I already know what this is. This is the Unplugged Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser. Pretty sure here that it actually comes with its own little oil. So I actually have a collection of essential oils that have either been gifted or have gone in my previous boxes, and I actually don't even own a diffuser, which is insane. I went ahead and plugged in the diffuser. When you press the power button, you can right away hear it work, and you actually have different light options to customize it to obviously give your room that atmospheric feel. It's actually the middle of the day, so it's really hard to get this room really dark, but either way, you can actually see the colors changing from purple to green to red to pink. So it's not one color, it does change throughout. And before even opening it, I can already smell that this is an orange essential oil, and a lot of people do say that the scent of oranges do make you feel much happier, so I will definitely be trying this out on my relaxation days if I'm just chilling in my room. So these are actually Quay Australia sunglasses. If you don't already know, Quay Australia sunglasses, they have a bunch of different collabs with different designers, and it's actually awesome that they incorporated one into this box. These are the Quay Australia My Girl sunglasses in black/smoke. These are actually huge frames. Honestly, with a nice little updo, ooh, I can see myself sporting these. I will be honest with you guys, I actually love sunglasses, but I'm definitely more of a mini small sunglasses person, so it is stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone to try out something with such a big lens. But if you are somebody who loves big frame glasses, then these are definitely going to be an epic win for you. And there is another option. There is actually a very similar pair, which is more of an aviator style. If you do love aviator glasses, you can customize to have that in your box. Is this a Swell bottle? Yes! So this is a Sip by Swell water bottle. I actually wanted a Swell bottle for the longest time. These are supposed to actually keep your drinks, whether it's hot or cold, really insulated for some people even say 2 days at a time. That is actually awesome and so cute. Look at the pattern of this water bottle. I'm obsessed with the little blue whales on the peach background. Such a cute aesthetic. I love it. I'm really excited to use it. We gotta stay hydrated because summer's coming and I really want to double my water intake. I'll let you know how that goes, but excited about this one too. If you already own a bottle or you're not looking to get another one, then they actually have an option to have a translucent setting powder, so we have a makeup product in there. And there's also a really stunning bar necklace that you guys can go ahead and sport for yourself if you're a jewelry fanatic like me. But I have a bunch, so I'm glad I have this one. So the next thing I see in here I'm actually really excited about because it's a company that I recognize, and it is the WESTMINSTER Hair Care leave-in conditioner. The WESTMINSTER has been stepping up their game like crazy. I have their matte pomade, which is so great with helping out to texturize little pieces. They have a really bomb texture spray and a wave spray also that I use, and I actually don't own the leave-in conditioner, so I'm so excited to try this out. Basically what it says about this product is that it will work all day to smooth, soften, and detangle your hair while moisturizing, but also enhancing heat protection. So if you are somebody like me that actually has a lot of frizzy hair or colored hair in general, you do want to be using a leave-in conditioner because they are going to keep your hair much softer, and they're going to kind of help contain all those little flyaways that you have. So I'm actually just gonna put a little bit. Oh wow, this actually smells amazing too. The way products always smell so good, like they really nail it when it comes to scents. I am assuming it is something that you'll probably want to put before you style your hair, but mine's already styled. Regardless though, I'm so happy about that. The Way is actually a really pricey brand. They carry it at Sephora, so every single person is gonna be getting this in their box, which is really exciting. And something else that every single person is gonna get in their box is this Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. First of all, guys, this packaging, stunning. Rose gold, so my aesthetic. This product, once it's done, this jar is going on my display. So this body scrub is actually formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, as it says here, which is epic because I've actually been to the Dead Sea before since I was born in Israel. And everybody and their mother knows that when you go to the Dead Sea, you reach in and you grab the mud and you literally like scrub it all over your skin because it's supposed to be one of the absolute best ways to detoxify your skin and make it all smooth and good and clean. Guys, that actually smells heavenly. I don't want to open the whole thing because there is a lot of product in here, but holy, that smells like a tropical dream. Another skincare product is actually this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Depuffing Gel. Eye depuffing gel, I'm assuming. Guys, this little tube is worth $42 and it's amazing because Dr. Brandt actually is a really pricey company. So having a product like theirs in the box is actually amazing. And wow, it's actually so cool. The gel in general is actually a tinted orange color. And that's actually so smart because using color correction like orange can actually cancel out the darkness under your eyes. A lot of people do put orange in places that they have more darkness. So that's actually really cool. I will be using these under my eyes, and stay tuned on my Instagram. I will let you know how this is working for me. And as always, FabFitFun always incorporates something to do with fitness most of the time, and I'm totally into it because if you guys don't know, my husband is a personal trainer and everything to do with fitness is great for me because if it's something that I'm not necessarily gonna use, I know he will. And here we actually have an 11 by Venus drum rope. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I am not a cardio person. I hate cardio. I prefer lifting weights and toning my legs and my bum and my arms and working on my back, but when it comes to cardio, I am such a lazy bum. Like, I can't run, I hate jumping. All things to do with bringing up my heart rate are so difficult for me. Again, it doesn't mean that I shouldn't do it. I do need to work on it, so maybe jumping rope is gonna be a little bit more of a fun way for me to get up my heart rate. I will tell Aaron to include this in my future workouts. And then the last thing that I see right here is another skincare company, and it is the Levito Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion, and it's got some Hebrew writing on it, which I gotta love, representing my home country. Before even like looking consistencies, I have to smell stuff. Like, I'm a smeller. This is mandarin orange and bergamot. I don't know what bergamot is, but I definitely smell the oranges in here. Body lotions is not one of those things that I would ever go into a store and purchase because who thinks to go and buy body lotions? Like, I just don't. So FabFitFun always comes through for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start lotioning up my body more because you want to have really soft and supple skin for when summer comes and you're gonna start tanning. You don't want to flake because flake causes your tan to go away faster. I know it's literally like minus 20 degrees and snowing outside and I'm already thinking about tanning. Like, okay guys, and that is it for my FabFitFun Spring 2019 unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And like I mentioned before, if you are someone who wants to try out the spring box for yourself, you can go ahead and use my code Haley10 to get $10 off your first box and get it for only $39.99, which I personally feel like is an amazing deal for something that has over $200 worth of products in it. So go ahead, surprise yourself, or sign up now to go ahead and customize the box to your own liking. Click the link down below in the description box to take you to the website so you can get started on your first box. If you are watching up to now and you are new, hi, my name is Haley. It is so nice to meet you. I'd really love it if you subscribe and join our amazing family. On my channel, you'll find everything from living life on a budget to thrifting and fashion and pretty much everything that will make you save a pretty penny but get a big bang out of it. I'm really happy I was able to give you guys a little extra upload this week, and I'm really excited to go ahead and get into some more thrifting and fashion content coming up next. Love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!